Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing about your power plant engineering unit 5 lecture 2. In that we will discuss the remaining part of the your unit 5 and inshallah we will complete your syllabus on this in this lecture only. Okay. So now we are discussing about the different another topic of your power plant engineering. Here we are discussing. So in that we are discussing here the power plant economic. So generally you know already the what is economic. What is power plant economic means the main function is to supply the power to the connected load with the minimum cost per hour. That is your. So now we are discussing here about the power plant economic. So what power plant economic is the main function to supply the power to the connected load with the minimum cost per hour. The power plant economic is generally what we are saying here. The power plant economic is nothing but the main function is power plant economic is to supply the power to the connected load with the minimum cost per hour. As per the per hour minimum cost, the power plant economic is supplying the power to the connected load. The next, economic of generation or distribution affected by design or operational factor. Means economic will be different as per the different as per the different generation of that equipment or design or operational factor. It depend upon these things. The economic is different. Economic of generation will be different, or it will be affected by these things, design or operational factor. So the cost of power to the consumer, it depend upon three things. Okay, here we are discussing about that only. Okay. So now here we are discussing about that the cost of power to the consumer. In that cost of consumer, a cost of generation, cost of transmission and distribution. Next, the third one is miscellaneous cost such as building, rent, overhead of establishment, taxes. Means while you are making the power for the purpose of consumer, so as the estimation cost of the generating and producing the power till first stage to the end stage, having some stage level. So that stage level you should have to give the power. Okay. So we will discuss about the cost of the power. Cost of the power, how much we have to spend to produce the cost of the power, to produce the power as per the customer or consumer requirement. So next year the cost consideration. Cost consideration means sometimes the selection of a particular power plant to produce the electricity, and that is a main job on the cost consideration. Means means to reduce the electricity while you are producing the power, but that power is not sufficient to the consumer. So sometimes the cost consideration will be there. So in that we have to take care all these things. The electricity production depend always. The electricity is depend upon some such a kinds of things, like first is investment of the plant should be there, distribution cost should be there, cost of operations and maintenance should be there while you are doing any process in that to form a product, to form a power. The cost of the plant is divided into two types. While you are considering the cost of the plant, So you have to divide in terms of two types, like a capital cost or fixed cost. So don't be confused. Capital cost or fixed cost is the same one. Operational or running cost is the same one. So the capital cost, in that capital cost you will see here the fixed cost while you are doing a process to form a power, to produce a power. In that fixed cost, interest should be there, initial cost should be there, depreciation should be there, taxes, insurance. So these are the fixed level you have to pay by monthly. So next, initial cost. First initial cost while you are while you are estimated to produce the power. So you have to see the time for plant construction. So how much time will be take to construct the plant. So you have to see there. So you have to note that time also, or the period of duration of months. Plant location you have to see. Number of main generating units you have to see. Size of the units, plant structure types. So these are the 5 types initial cost you have to see, and you have to spend the money to there while you are start the construction of power plant. So next is initial cost of power plant. Here includes the following base things. So building cost, land cost, initial action, installation cost, equipment cost, overhead charges, store keeping, transportation, etc. So these are the charges are there, general charges. Initially we have to spend our money to there. So then next interest. B is interest. Here in that cost, capital cost, the second one is in initial cost we are already discussed. Interest we are discussing now. Next, depreciation, tax and insurance is common one, so that also we will discuss. So interest, here in that interest we are discussing interest. Each and every enterprise should have to take a loan from the bank sector or other organization. So that we have to give the interest on the amount by simple interest, and it will be calculated by the monthly. So that we have to pay by month, one by one as a monthly. So that is a common thing is there. So the next depreciation means that accounts for the deterioration of the equipments and water and tear of the use. It also decrease the value of the experiments due to the absence. Life will be short. So that is our depreciation. If depreciation means, you know, the general word is there. So that is life cycle of the equipments or our other things. Next, the following methods are there should be handled while you are doing the work. So straight line method, sinking fund method. This is you have to see the fund method while you are doing start your construction of the power plant. Unit method, operational cost or running cost. In that operational cost you will see here the general power generation cycle will be there, subdivision within 2, and next is the power distribution transformers are there, and then we will distribute the power from consumer side. These are the consumers. Here you can see the demand factor or diversity factor. Difference between the demand factor is demand factor is equal to load maximum by the connected load. Then diversity factor is equal to sum of the individual load by maximum demand of the consumer. And demand factor DF should not be less than equal to 1, and it will be greater than equal to 1. Capacity of a plant determined here. Here we are determining the cost of the electrical energy, and here the higher utilization factor will be there. Here we can optimum load factor or electrical energy will be calculated. Okay. So next, here the load curve for power generation in India. Load curve will be there, while in that morning in the night section the load will be less, while in that morning section the load will be again to go in the peak section, and like this the evening will be also more. So these are the load power load curve. While the power is used more, means it will be goes to the higher position. Okay. So the next thing is after that, pollution. So different types of pollution will be there. While the if you are making your power plant construction of the your organization, so you have to take care while you are constructing your power plant in that ground. So you have to take care while your process is going on, and how you are controlling the pollution and how it is not affected to the environment. So you have to see, and if you are and in that process, if the air pollution is occur while you are doing your process in that company, so you have to see how you will be reduce the air pollution, and how you will be see to rectify that your problem, as like to control the air pollution like oxygen, sulfur dioxide, so the thermal pollution, solid waste, particular gases emissions. So these are the major sources of air pollution will be there. So you have to see, you can see here removal of sulfur dioxide. Here how you can remove the sulfur dioxide, and by the helping of this you can remove here clean gas it goes out. Here the dirty gas insert, while after the completion of your process in that power plant, dirty gas will be insert, and spray manifold will be there. Here the core booster disc will be there, and tangentially gas will be there, and water inlet is also there, and after that water valve surrounding in that cylinder, and it will be comes out in here. So whatever the dirty gas will be inserted here, that it will be clean, and it will be goes out from the outside wall. So that clean gas will be goes out in the atmosphere, so that it will not be affected to the atmosphere. So this is a method, and different types of different methods are there to reduce or to clean the gas or to clean the waste while you are dumping out in that atmosphere. Okay. So the next one is thermal pollution. Thermal pollution, in that thermal pollution, how you will be reducing that construction of a separate lake, cooling ponds, cooling tower, like this you are constructing to reduce the thermal pollution. And noise pollution, like causes your noise pollution will be occurs in that automobile loud loudspeaker, generator, machines of factories, and lawn moves, silencers, and how you will be control minimize the boundaries. Here you can say that the minimize the bouncing horns, minimize the suspension, and here you can see that the controlling the loudspeakers like horns. Industrial should be follow the standard noise control parameters. Okay. like this. Here the pollutants are there, types of pollutants are there: biodegradable pollutants, non-degradable pollutants, primary pollutants, and carbon dioxides, and then secondary pollutants. So these are the pollutants. Those who are pollutants are generally referring for the atmospheric purpose. And here we can see that how the it will affected to the humans, and how you will be reduce this pollutant, by how you will be reduce the pollutant while the your outlet of the power plant. It will give it will take it will give as a solid waste, or we can say carbon dioxide waste. Like others, gases will be comes out like solid form, liquid form, or gaseous form. So how the that type of pollutant will occur into the atmosphere, and how it will be how we will be utilize our techniques to reduce the pollutant while it will comes out from the power plant. So here human sources are there. We have to use this fossil fuel, transportation sector, industries, land use change. So these are the human resources. And natural resources, while you are doing the constructing your power plant, you have to see ocean and atmosphere exchange, the atmospheric climatic change, soil respiration, decomposition, and volcanic eruption. So these are the things we have to see while you are constructing your dams. And then because of, if you are seeing this, you can control the pollutant and pollution level. So this is your general topics are there, though the topics are completed totally your syllabus content in that your unit 5. So after this was, you make sure to give me your attendance, and I will send it this my notes, hand notes, to in that group also. Thank you very much.